Hi, Swimmy baby.
How do you say swimmy baby?
Because he's swimming. I'm taking a video of you guys now.
Oh.
Show me what you can do in the pool. Oh, okay. Show me some of those jumps that you do. Wow. Not yet. I'm not quite done. Oh. Look at Cameron leaning way over. Maybe you could sing me a song too. That would be nice. How about Somewhere Over the Rainbow? Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. Cameron!
You want me to run? Your flowers there?
Sure.
Okay, where are your flowers?
Over there, purple star flower.
Okay. Your flowers don't get away.
Uh-oh.
So I have to keep building with it.
Okay, ready for the end?
Sure.
Say the end.
Yeah!